In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add animated GIF to Outlook email. If you want to add some personality, emphasize a point, or just make your message more engaging, inserting a GIF right into the email body is quick and simple. This works on Outlook for the web and the Outlook desktop app on both Windows and Mac. And the process is essentially the same across versions. Start by opening Outlook on the web or the desktop app. Then create a new email. You can use the new email button or whatever new message option you usually use. Once the blank message opens, click directly in the body of the email where you want the GIF to appear. Outlook will place the GIF exactly at that cursor location. So it's worth deciding whether it should sit above your text, between paragraphs, or at the very end. Next, go to the Insert tab in the ribbon. On the web, you'll see an Insert option in the toolbar. On Mac, you may see Insert in the menu bar, but the idea is the same. Choose Pictures. And if you are prompted for a source, select Pictures, then this device to pick a file from your computer. This ensures the GIF is embedded inline in the message rather than added as a separate attachment. Browse to where your GIF is saved, select the file, and click Insert. A quick tip here, make sure the file ends in GIF and that it's the animated version you want to use. If you previewed it on your computer and saw motion, you are good. Some versions of Outlook may show a static frame while you are composing, but the animation will play for most recipients in modern Outlook clients. Also, smaller GIFs tend to look cleaner and keep your email size reasonable. With the GIF inserted, click it once to select it. You'll see corner handles appear around the image. Drag a corner inward or outward to resize it while keeping the proportions correct. Avoid dragging from the sides or top and bottom, as that can distort the image. Aim for a size that is large enough to be readable, but not so big that it overwhelms your text. If it looks blurry, try reducing the size a bit. Scaling up too far can make a GIF appear pixelated. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.